Hi guys, this afternoon we have arrived at the most expensive campsite pitch that we have ever booked. It is costing us £100 a night. Can a campsite be worth that? I don't know. We're going to explore it over the next 3 nights and we'll take you with us, we'll give you our honest opinion and let you know if it really is worth that amount of money. We're spending 3 nights at Kip Nook near Darlington. Let's start by showing the route from junction 56 of the A1M. The turning off the road is only indicated by a sign for Pinckney Car Farm, but once you head up the long drive, signage is clear and there's a marked spot to park up to check in. Welcome to Kip and Nook. So left. The bar in the workshop doubles as reception and we received a warm welcome. The workshop is a funky but cosy communal space, which is what sets this apart from other campsites, and it's where you can indulge in a spot of darts, pool or table tennis, or just choose to chill out. The ethos is very much about using this as a hangout space, and you don't need to buy food or drink unless you want to. Though with a delicious cocktail menu and some of the best pizzas we've eaten, you may struggle not to purchase something. Note that you do need to pre-order pizzas. There's a separate room where breakfast is served. Again, the food was epic and the portions were, if anything, a bit too big. Again, this needs to be pre-ordered, but that's easy enough. Just a quick chat in the bar the evening before. Obviously the food costs extra, but having this available and at this level of quality on site means you only need to leave the site if you want to. The workshop is also home to a gym and the breathing room, a sauna complex which you can book for 90 minutes of private use. We did this during our stay and were surprised how much we enjoyed it and how quickly the time passed. There's also an outdoor sauna near the touring pitches. The workshop and its facilities are undoubtedly what makes this different to other campsites, but let's go check out the pitches. The black building on the left here houses the toilets and showers, and we'll head here later in the video. There are 6 pitches, ranging in price from £40 for the smallest to £100 for the Nook, which we're staying on. It's the largest pitch and situated at the end, with a wood-fired hot tub and a raised area for watching the sunsets. Not that we did much of that in murky January. There's electric hookup and water, complete with hose, and we were chuffed to see that the hot tub had been pre-lit for our arrival. Oh wow, that's good. And there's a decent supply of wood too.
Well,
is it?
Well, I think if you go in there you'd then be cold. But
yeah, but it's not.
It's not freezing
no,
cold.
It's... Phone and TV signal were both good. Let's have a look at the facilities. Although small with only 2 toilets and 2 shower cubicles, these were modern and kept clean. Don't worry about the window, it steams up as soon as you run the shower. Not that there's a high risk of anyone being in the field out back anyway. And don't worry, showering with someone else is optional too. You can just use this as a solo occupant. There's also bins here and a dishwashing area. So, was it worth the money? I'd say yes, in terms of the unique nature of the place and the private hot tub on your pitch. Having the workshop on site and the fact that the food and drink was delicious and reasonably priced meant it was easy to pitch up and not leave until it was time to check out. And don't forget, if you're willing to forgo the private hot tub, you can access everything else on a different pitch from just £40 a night, which for 2 people is comparable with a bog standard site these days. Thanks for watching, and why not check out what we did during our stay by watching this video here. See you in the next one.